Hello everyone, and welcome to Groyo Learning. In this series, we're diving into the basic concepts of industrial engineering in apparel manufacturing. In this episode, we will explore the concept of Standard Allowed Minute (SAM) and how to calculate it. Standard Allowed Minute, or SAM, is a crucial metric in garment manufacturing. It represents the time required to complete a specific operation under standard conditions by a 100% rating operator, helping in setting production targets and estimating costs accurately. SAM is measured in minutes per operation and considers task complexity, operator skill level, and allowances for rest. It's essential for production planning, line balancing, and determining workforce requirements in garment manufacturing. To calculate SAM, we use the formula, Standard Allowed Minute equals basic time plus allowance percentage. Basic time is derived from cycle time multiplied by operator performance rating, with allowances for rest and delays. The steps to calculate SAM include defining the task, breaking it down into components, conducting a time study, calculating basic time, and applying allowances. This ensures accurate SAM determination for optimal production planning. During a time study, observe and record the time taken by a skilled operator for each motion. Calculate the average of 10 cycles, apply the operator performance rating, and use the formula to determine basic time. Allowances account for rest and delays, varying from 8% to 20% or more. By adding these to basic time, manufacturers can calculate SAM, ensuring efficient resource allocation and production planning. Now you know how to calculate SAM. In our next video, we'll discuss the Operation Bulletin and its applications. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on industrial engineering. Stay curious and inspired.